I'm Salman Abdul Fattah and welcome to this quick Notion tutorial. First of all, Notion is an all-in-one AI tool for notes, tasks, and projects. I use it personally for my work university. You can use it in professional work also. It's very useful. Today, I will show you how to create and organize a simple page in just a few steps. There's a symbol here at the top left, create a new page. We're gonna name our page, I can name it my project notes for the sake of the tutorial. After that, I've made my page. As you can see here, I can add an icon or a cover or a comment to the page like this. It will add a move to it or symbolize it. That's the graduation cap, like this it will appear. So after that, I can add blocks. So what are blocks? Notion uses blocks for everything: text, images, videos, and more. Click anywhere. Here's a block. I can add type university meetings or notes, let's say, and I can add a heading also. A heading, you must add a block first, then add a comment. By adding the comment, you must do the slash and then write heading. Here's a heading added. So that's a block and that's another block. I also can add, as I said, images by doing the comment and typing media. Here's the images. Upload a file. Let's see here. Okay, that's an image. I can also add a video by writing video or media. I can upload a video or post a link from the YouTube. I'll post a link from the YouTube. So here's the YouTube video from the link. So also you can drag the blocks and rearrange them or create columns by dragging one block to the side of the other like this. So here's the heading. I'll drag it here like this. To keep things organized, use to-do list or dividers. You can customize your page also. First, you're gonna do this, a comment and to-do list. A ready to-do list filter is appeared. Also, you can change the font and customize your page by tapping at the three dots here at the right top, changing the fonts of the page, and also a lot of other important tools. That's it, guys. I like also the mono font. So you've created a Notion page with text, media, and organized content. I recommend very much using Notion. It helps me a lot. I think it will help you a lot if you knew how to use it. I also explore it every day because it has a lot of tools. Thank you very much.